is involved.
Good into your 500.
Christopher Bell cuts down a left rear tire and goes around. Back up, Keselowski with him. McDowell in tow. Dillon on the bottom.
The run's on top.
Whoa!
Teammates.
Around they go in a hard crash. Kyle Busch.
Kyle Larson.
Caution is out.
Bubba Wallace is in this. Austin Cindric. Hard hit by Kyle Busch.
Caution's out.
McDowell is first to the line, but will have to go back to the moment of caution, which ends the race. Brad Keselowski is climbing out. He's okay. Joey Logano we see taking off the gloves and the steering wheel. And Michael McDowell from Glendale, Arizona, for Bob Jenkins Front Row Motorsports, has won the Daytona 500.
How about that?
Man.
That's a huge win for Michael McDowell and that team. Doesn't get any bigger than this.
And a huge crash. Brad Keselowski gets hard into the wall, trying to win the Daytona 500, and Kyle Busch piles in at over 190 miles an hour. Let's join Vince Welch.
Well, so he went to make the move. He's got so much momentum. There's nothing more that he could do. And I think Joey Logano didn't make an abrupt move. He just tried to slowly slow down that momentum, and they made contact.
And in hindsight, when you look at it now that you've seen the wreck and know what happened, well, he wrecked his teammate. That's not the case. He was going for the biggest race of his career. He hasn't won this Daytona 500.
Now that is at the chicane, and there are a lot of cars taking evasive action there.
Biggest thing I didn't like about that is he...
Heavy damage.
Ross Chastain is going to put us under caution for the 4th time today.
Clear. Thinking there was a crossover right here. I'm thinking there was some help with that one, Jeff.
You're right. Oh,
Kurt Busch! Pow!
Our leader. We saw him go off there. Brad.
And there was contact.
Accelerate. Very good off the way.
Kind of hard to accelerate when
well, I didn't know if it was because the 96
yeah, 96 might check
but the one definitely ran over the